Then it went up, made the high, okay, which is this point. Then the candle closed below it. As you can see, the high was not respected. The candle went up there but came back. When the candle was forming, it was like this. It touched that point, then it went back down. The candle, when the candle forms, I'll advise you guys to watch live candles forming on a chart. You can use trading view to view charts. Okay, so the candle moves like this, then the point it touches becomes the high or the low. Do you think this is the correct price action for this? No, the price went here, but the price closed not on the high but below the high. So this is what the price action is supposed to look like for this candle. Although I made it on the opposite side, it's supposed to be like this. Sorry, just a second. Mm, yeah, that's how the price went. See how much details of the price we are getting to know just because we switched from the line charts to the candle. Although we aren't looking on the charts, I'm just trying to explain what candles are supposed to tell you. Okay, these two are ideal candles. We might see different shapes, different wicks. The wicks can be of different sizes. It all depends on what the price did. So here I'm going to make a few more options. Today we are learning about price action because that's so important in order to get to know what's happening in the market. Okay, so let me make a few candles for you. These arrows denote the price action that the candle overall followed. It went up from the opening and the red one went down. Okay, coming back to the candles. Few more examples we need. I'll make some candles and I'll explain the price action so that it's clear in your head. Let's make this one red. Okay, let's give it a wick. Let's make another candle with no wicks and a fourth one with wicks of different sizes, which is a bit complicated for some people as of now. Please let go of all the concepts you have about the market and sit here like you're looking at the market for the first time. You don't know what the fuck is happening. Sorry. Yeah. Then that's how you learn well. That's how you'll absorb what I'm trying to say. And don't think that I'm going to be teaching these basics all over again. This is the only video that I'm going to make on candles, just to give you a basic idea. Also, I'll make you guys revise it. We'll do a revision, but for now, practice some candles on your own as well. Okay. So, what do you think the level I marked on the body of this candle is supposed to be? This is the body, by the way, and these lines are the wicks. Okay. The body part is the part which is colored, and others are wicks. So here, let's mark this point as well. What do you think is the open of this candle? One is the upside, two is the downside. What do you think? One or two? Um, so you can see it's a green candle, and the price went up. So the open is supposed to be where? The open for the candle is on the downside. Price didn't go up, it made a low first, then it went on to make a high and stayed there. Mind that the high wasn't made, and then that's why there's no wick because the price stayed there. The price closed there, so the price action for this is supposed to be like this. Now, for the second candle, mm, just a second. This here is supposed to be the open for this candle, and this here is supposed to be the close, as it's a red candle. Okay. The price action for this candle is as follows. Let me make wicks for this candle. One second. The price action for this candle was it went up. It didn't went up. There's no wick. It went down, made a low, and closed somewhat on the upside of the low. Somewhat above the low, it made. Okay. There's no wick on the upside, so it didn't go past the open, not even for a second. Okay. I hope it's clear to you. Now let's mark out this candle with no wicks here. This has no wicks because it didn't went past the open to create a high or to create a low. This is the only price action that the price did. It fell on without even creating a high or a low. It just gave a parabolic move on the downside. This is what the candle tells you. Now onto the last candle. I want you guys to take out a notebook and a pen and try to make the price action for this candle. Try to guess it. Don't guess it. I mean, use logic. It's a green candle. The price went up. So, you know how to make it. I think you just don't overcomplicate it. Try it, and then I'll try to, mark it out for you so that you can check if you were right or not. This is a very serious topic. You should consider it very serious because knowing candles is like the basics of stock market. You can't trade if you can't check out candles, what's happened within a candle if you can't see. With time, it becomes effortless, but for now, you'll have to put in some work. So, I've marked out the lines on the body of this candle. You should start with the open price, where the price opened. I hope that's clear by now that the price opened on the downside. As it's a green candle, so it went down, made a low. Okay, just a few seconds. For green candles, lows are made before highs, and for red candles, highs are made before lows, if there are any. I already told you the logic because of it for it, and that's what happens. So the candle made a low here, then went on, made a high. By the way, this series of high and low is called trigger movement. The price closed here, okay, making that high, it couldn't respect it, couldn't sustain it, came back. This was the price movement for this candle. That's how the price worked out. So trigger movements are very important because people get confused whether the high was made before the low, or the low was made before the high. You should always look at the candle's color, body of the candle, because this is how the candles are made. I want you guys to observe candles being made in real time on TradingView. When a candle opens, this is how it looks when it's opened. If it goes up, it turns green. If it goes down below the, uh, below the opening line, which is this, it turns red. Candles are made like this. They jiggle, 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 jiggle like this. Okay, and whatever point the candle touches becomes a high of that candle or the low of that candle. If the body doesn't closes there, it becomes a high. Like in this case, the candle went up, the point it touched and came down, it became its wick. Just a sec. Yeah, this became its wick. Then the candle went down, and because it went down, the color isn't supposed to be green. Did you notice that? It's supposed to be red. Okay, so if it goes past the opening line, it becomes green again. That's how candles work. That's how you can check out candles. I want you guys to mark out some candles which are confusing to you. I'll make a community, a Discord community for everyone for their doubts and everything. It's all free as of now. Not as of now. I'm planning to post on a series, free series for everyone. So make sure you like, subscribe, because it's a new channel. You can help me grow, and I'll help you make money. That's a deal between us. Okay, guys. So I want you guys to make out some candles and then make out their mark out their price action, so that in order for your basics to be cleared out, I want your fundamentals as strong as anything. And the candles are almost the same for any indices or any crypto, anything you want to see the charts. The candles work the same. That's all for this video. I hope you liked the concept of candles, and you have to put in some work in order to see results. You have to put in some work. These are very easy concepts that I taught today. This is nothing what you're gonna get in like the 7th, 8th video. I might take some time with basics, but yeah, that's it. See you guys.